activity, I think it's been one of the most important things that's helped me in my life and in my journey to self-love. So what I want each of you to do is to wrap your arms around yourself. And this is something I do every day, every morning before I start my day off. Keysha, I love you, girl. Hi, I'm Keysha Lee, and I'm here at Girls Incorporated talking about self-love, what it is, how to show it to yourself, and how to share it with others, and teaching the girls some filmmaking 101 techniques.
The activities that she did with the girls were amazing, especially for that age group. They do struggle a lot with their confidence and insecurity, so having them come out of their shell and express things that they love and show love towards each other was extremely impactful.